I'm a bit new. Anything I do, bitch, it's new. Pistol whipping, motherfucking bouncer, 6'2". These bullets, as soon as I pull it, you sweat bullets. And excellent, better to get better than excellent. Actually better, cause instead of the murdering, you can hurt him and come back. I'm kidding, can't hurt him. Mr. Corn, soul, boom, soul, consumed. You can smell the loss as soon as I walk in the room. Everybody holds and stops and calls the cops. All you see is bitches coming out the halls and tops, running and ducking out the high rise, parking lot, and you'll all get shot. Bitch, you all to die. So soldier, so much, they don't budge. I'm never wrong, fuck up, soldier. Even if my collarbones crush your club, I will never say it was no soldier. So much, they don't budge. I'm never wrong, fuck up, soldier. Even if my collarbones crush your club, I will never say it was no soldier. Kids know that talk control. Give it back to these damn pricks and sock it to 'em. I'm like a dog with a little bit of pocket rules. I swear with my cock, got you bitches rocking to it. You motherfuckers can never do it like I can do it. Don't even try to look stupid, you die too soon. Don't ever in your life try not to choose. I spit the illest shit ever been dropped into it. So tick and tock, listen to the sound, 6 on the clock. Listen to the sound of Kim and your legs on the cot. Listen to the sound of me filling my heart through this pen. Motherfuckers know that I'll never be Marshall again. Full of controversy until I retire my jersey. Till the fire inside dies and expires at 30. And Lord have mercy on any more of these rebels that burst me and put a curse on authorities in the face of adversity. I'm a soldier.